Welcome to the channel Recipes Desk. Today we are going to see Masala Oats recipe with two different flavor mix. First I am going to use Homestyle masala flavor mix and then I am going to use Tangy tomato flavor mix. For preparing this I am using Quaker oats. It has 3 Homestyle masala flavor mix packets and 1 Tangy tomato flavor mix packet. First I am going to use Homestyle masala flavor mix. For this, take a bowl or a pan and then add 260 ml water. Now you can add any vegetables of your choice. I am adding white part of spring onion. Now I am adding half chopped carrot. Chop it into small slices and you can add. After this, add few coriander leaves. And now add a handful of green part of spring onion. And now allow this to boil till the vegetables get partially cooked. Now add required salt. Once the vegetables gets cooked, you can add masala. You can find this masala packet inside Quaker oats and you can prepare it in a spicy way or you can add milk and you can prepare in a sweet way too. Now I am adding the masala. Add the masala and allow to boil. This masala is suitable for half cup of oats. So if you want to do it in double, you can add 1 cup of oats and you can add 2 packets because there will be 3 packets of homemade masala. Now I am adding half cup of oats and now you have to boil till oats gets cooked. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. And after it boils, it will get thick and now a tasty and delicious snack is ready. Now it has got thick. Now we can switch off the stove. And again I am adding the green part of spring onion and coriander leaves. It tastes best when it is served hot, so serve it hot. Now tasty masala oats with Homestyle masala mix is ready. Now we are going to see Tangy tomato flavor mix. For this, take a pan and add 260 ml of water. And again, you can add any vegetables of your choice. You can add chopped onion slices. Again, I am adding carrots. I am adding half carrot chopped into small slices. And then I am adding a handful of beans. You can chop 5 or 6 beans into small pieces and you can add. And you can add any vegetables of your choice. Now I am adding coriander leaves. Allow this to boil till the vegetables gets cooked. Add required salt. Now vegetables have got cooked. Now I am adding tangy tomato mix. This flavor tasted so nice as it has a bit of tanginess in it. Now mix this well, and then again I am going to add half cup of oats. Now allow to boil till oats gets cooked until it becomes thick. Now it has got thick. Now switch off the flame. Add chopped coriander leaves and you can sprinkle some chopped onion on the top. This also tastes best when it is served hot. Now delicious and yummy masala oats is ready. You can also try this recipe at home and you can comment your favorite masala mix flavor in the comment section. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family and subscribe for more updates.